PayPal stores your card data as tokens. This protects sensitive information during transactions. Card data is converted into a secure token, like a random code that represents your information without exposing it. During verification, PayPal decrypts the token to check your details. If this decryption fails, it can lead to verification hiccups and trigger error 110201. Confirm billing address accuracy. Make sure your billing address in PayPal exactly matches the address associated with your credit or debit card. Discrepancies can lead to verification failure. If you're encountering PayPal error 1201, it's possible your bank has blocked the transaction for security reasons. Contact your bank directly to ensure the transaction is authorized and to check if there are any restrictions on your card that might be preventing the payment from going through. Banks often block transactions due to security protocols, international transaction limits, or suspected fraud. By contacting your bank, you can verify that PayPal payments are allowed and resolve any card restrictions that may be causing the verification to fail. PayPal's app often suggests retrying the transaction after 24 hours. This can allow temporary glitches to resolve themselves within PayPal's system. If the verification error continues with your current payment method, consider linking a different payment option to your PayPal account. This can help bypass issues specific to one card or account. Common alternative payment methods include credit cards, debit cards, or bank accounts. These provide different verification pathways that may succeed where the original failed. To link a new payment method, first log into your PayPal account through the app or website. Then navigate to your wallet section and select the option to add a card or bank account. Enter the details of your new card or bank account, including account numbers and security codes. PayPal will then verify the information through your bank or card issuer, which may involve a small test transaction. This approach helps because it uses a different verification pathway, potentially avoiding the specific issues causing the error with your original payment method. Once linked, you can select it as the default for transactions. During Black Friday 2024, PayPal experienced a significant spike in 1D201 errors. This surge was primarily caused by overloaded servers struggling under the massive transaction volume, combined with heightened fraud alerts triggered by the shopping frenzy. In these high-traffic situations, PayPal's systems can become overwhelmed, leading to verification failures that aren't necessarily the user's fault. The company responded by temporarily relaxing some verification requirements to handle the load. This incident serves as a reminder that while most 10201 errors stem from user-side issues, occasional system-wide problems do occur, and waiting or retrying can often resolve them. PayPal offers comprehensive support resources to help resolve error code 10201. Their support forums provide community-driven discussions where users can find expert answers and share solutions. Additionally, AI chatbots offer instant automated assistance, guiding users through troubleshooting steps with intelligent responses. Together, these resources resolve about 80% of cases within 24 hours, providing quick and convenient troubleshooting for users experiencing verification issues. Resolving error 10201 requires balancing security measures with user convenience. By following these steps and staying informed, you can minimize disruptions and complete your PayPal transactions successfully.